Right now I'm kayaking on the Kettle River. So we just saw a small bear come out of this tree right here. Absolutely crazy. It was apparently suntanning there. Um, yeah, we didn't think we had to worry about bears, especially back at camp, but now we're regretting that decision a little bit, not to be a little more bear safe. Sorry I didn't get it on camera, but there was a bear.
The first 7 miles of this trip are scenic and beautiful, and it's amazing paddle, but once you hit Maple Island, then it gets fun. Every good trip is going to have that occasional mishap, but the reality is, this is Class 1 rapids. There might be a few small stretches of Class 2 in the right water conditions, but really, this is like 8 miles of downhill.
Definitely looks like our picture table at camp. How deep is it right there off the edge? Oh, is it? Okay, maybe not the right place for jumping in then. I'll just drop off here. Yeah. Definitely not much of a drop off though. Nice.
This stretch is 18 miles, so we did make a point to just keep moving, and really it was no issue. We did this in about 6 hours. That's pretty typical because we usually travel about 3 miles per hour.
Yeah, because there's water coming in that way right now, and I don't think it could have been through the stretch that we were, but maybe I'm wrong.
I know this video makes you want to get outside, so do it. Get out there, be the best version of yourself. And if you can't, well, hit subscribe and watch another video.
Time to relax.
Take it easy.
Not work yourself so hard.
So tonight we got chased into our tents. It is storming right now. I don't know if you can actually see the lightning, but it is definitely happening. The wind picked way up. We've got some rain, but it's not too bad. And honestly, it's 11 o'clock, so it's just fine. We should be able to sleep through this.